What's up everyone, welcome back to another video, and in this one we're gonna be unboxing and reviewing the new Samsung Galaxy A53 5G. So let's begin with the video now. Welcome to Search Tech. Our mission is to help you get the most out of your tech through reviews and tutorials. If that is something you're interested in, make sure to subscribe and don't forget to hit that bell to get notified when we release a new video. And there's going to be useful links below in the description covering everything that we discuss in this video. With that being said, let's get right into it. So in this video, we will first do the unboxing and then we're going to talk about the specs, display, design, cameras, battery, and lastly, I'll give you my final thoughts. Alright, so here we have our device and now I think it's time to unbox it. But first I do want to show you everything that's in the box. Right here we have a picture of the product, and then if we go to the side we're going to have the name of the device. Back here we're going to have whatever the package comes with, and we're also going to have some specifications. So now let's remove the stickers that are kind of easy to do. Now let's open the box, and the first thing we're going to see is the phone right here. So let me set this aside. And let me take this out. So here we have our device. Let me take the sticker off, which should take me a couple of seconds. Okay, here we have the Samsung Galaxy A53 5G, and it does have a really nice touch and it looks very nice on the back. The front, it definitely looks at 6.5 inches. So let's put this aside and see everything else inside here. We were going to have only this one box apparently, and right here we're going to have the SIM card tray ejector tool as usual, and I'm guessing that when we open this we're going to find the charger, and here it is. We have the charger, and we're going to have the terms and conditions guide menu probably in here in this box. Here it is, and as you can tell it doesn't come with a charging cube, so that's pretty much everything in the box. And now it's time to start talking about the specs of the device. Alright, so the Samsung A53 has a Super AMOLED 120Hz display and it has 6.5 inches of screen size. It is IP67 dust and water resistance, and the phone comes in different memory sizes. We have a 128GB with 4GB of RAM, a 128 with 6GB of RAM, and 8GB of RAM. Then we're going to have the 256GB at 6 and 8GB of RAM. As far as the main camera goes, it has a 64 megapixel wide lens, a 12 megapixel ultra wide lens, a 5 megapixel, and a 5 megapixel macro and depth lens. It shoots videos at 4K at 30 frames per second and 1080p at 30 and 60 frames per second. The selfie camera is 32 megapixels and records videos at 4K at 30 frames per second and 1080 at 30 frames per second. The battery is 5000 mAh and non-removable, and it comes in black, white, blue, and peach. It also has a starting price of $349.99. When it comes about the display, the 120Hz mode on the A53 5G is as great as you would expect it to be. It makes the phone feel very snappy no matter what you're doing on it, and animations look extra buttery smooth. There are no issues with viewing the display at an angle, and colors look amazing in both the vivid and natural modes, which is not always the case with the other mid-range phones. Integrated into the A53 5G screen lies the optical fingerprint scanner, which unfortunately is not Samsung's famous ultrasonic sensor. This is one of my major gripes with the A53, and not that there is no ultrasonic sensor, but how slow the optical one is. It does take a good long time to unlock the phone this way. Then we're going to have the design, and the Samsung Galaxy A53 5G builds on the design of the Galaxy A52 5G and incorporates some elements from the new Galaxy S22 series. Its overall design looks contemporary and refreshing, since the mid-frame is still made of polycarbonate, but it's a broader with flatter sides, similar to the Galaxy S22 devices. The rear panel retains the looks of the Galaxy A52's 5G with a matte finished polycarbonate black panel that feels smooth and premium. When it comes about the camera, these are the same specs on paper as the ones for the Galaxy A52 5G, but don't be quick to judge. There is one big difference that makes the camera system on the A53 more capable than its predecessor, and that is the Exynos 1280. Thanks to the increased AI performance, portrait mode on both the front and back cameras is improved, including the ability to adjust the blur during that mode. Another feature that is possible thanks to the new chipset is the addition of portrait lighting while in portrait mode. Now, the battery on the Galaxy A53, as we know, is 5000 mAh in capacity and can handle up to 25 watts of fast charging. It is without a doubt a beefy battery, which this showed in the daily usage of the device. The A53 easily lasted a whole day of heavy use, and that's with the 120Hz refresh rate turned on. So if you don't mind the drop on the display from 120 to 60, then this will probably last you a day or maybe 2 days. Now, my final thoughts: more battery life is always a good thing to have, and the A53 5G has a better one than the already good A52 5G from last year. The display and audio quality are an impressive combo, adding a lot of the phone's value and making it a great device for enjoying lots of media. The camera system seems to have been benefited a lot from the new chip, and both photos and videos seem more polished in more ways than one, despite the camera's specific hardware remaining the same. Long story short, the Galaxy A53 5G is a solid all-rounder, even more than its predecessor. So if you like the design and Samsung's One UI software, you can't go wrong with this mid-ranger. Alright everyone, so that was it for today's video. If you got some valuable information out of it, please don't forget to give it a like and leave a comment down below on what you think. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to receive notifications every time we post a new video. And as always, I'll be seeing you in the next one.